Dimension Annotation Module Function Introduction, Arc Dimension. Angular Dimension. This command dimensions the angle of arcs, circles, and straight lines. Click the Angular Dimension function, select the arc, circle, or line to be dimensioned for angle. Select the second line. Specify the position of dimension line. Angular dimensioning completed. Arc length dimension. This command dimensions the arc length of an arc. Click the Arc Length Dimension function. Select the arc or circle to be dimensioned for arc length. Specify the position of dimension line. Arc length dimensioning completed. Radius dimension. This command dimensions the radius of an arc. Click the Radius Dimension function. Select the arc or circle to be dimensioned for radius. Specify the position of the dimension line. Radius dimensioning completed. Diameter dimension. This command dimensions the diameter of an arc. Click the Diameter Dimension function. Select the arc or circle to be dimensioned for diameter. Specify the position of the dimension line. Diameter dimensioning completed. Angle arc length conversion. This command toggles an arc's dimension style between angular and arc length notation. Click the Angle Arc Length Conversion function. Select the dimensions to switch between angle and arc length. Arc annotation toggled between angle and arc length format completed.